Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai. It doesn't matter what Hyundai it is guys, it could be Hyundai Sonata, Santa Fe, Tucson, Accent, it could be Elantra guys, Veloster, anything pretty much. You have engine light on and you have any of the following codes. I'm talking about code P2125 P2126 P2127 P2128. Stay with us, we will explain most likely what causes that and how to fix it. It could be multiple things, make sure you stay until the end. We will explain how to test components as well, so you know how to fix your problem. Another thing, we're going to explain which diagnostic tool we use, because many of you constantly ask us which tool you use on Hyundais, on your vehicles, and that tool can pay itself off in one-time use, so we'll put the link in the description of the video below as well. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel, it's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. So this is guys specifically 2013 Hyundai, okay, that we're working on. Now let's explain, okay, what can happen. It doesn't matter if you have 3, 4, 6-cylinder engine, procedure is about the same. Now, you have your throttle body. This is your throttle body. The throttle body, guys, is usually, you follow your intake hose from the air filter box to the intake manifold. Between the hose and the intake manifold, you have your throttle body. That's what opens and closes, guys, and let the engine get air. And when it gets air and fuel, it makes power. Now, what controls the throttle body? Pretty simple. One thing is the engine computer. But what controls the engine computer? Okay, to tell how much to open the throttle body and close it. Right there guys, this is your accelerator pedal, also known as throttle pedal, this one here. Now, if that pedal is bad, it's very likely you will get any of these codes. This is the number one reason. Always check the wiring harness, make sure you didn't kick it or break it something with your foot. That I've seen that happen before. Make sure you don't have something stuck in it like a floor mat or something like that under the pedal that can damage it. When you press the pedal up, okay, down, check it out, you have sensors that detect how much you press the pedal. Now, number one thing, check the wiring harness. Number two, it could be bad pedal. Throttle, accelerator pedal. We'll have a special video that explains how to test throttle accelerator pedal on Hyundai guys. So the video will be on the channel, please check it out. Pretty simple, it takes only a few minutes. Okay, and what else guys, okay, can cause any of these codes? Before we continue, let me just explain about the computer, okay, that we're using here. So let me just make it stay like that, okay, so I can show you, okay, because I don't have reflection from the light that way. You can see it works on so many cars, pretty much almost any car you can think of guys. Now, the cool thing about that computer, okay, Hyundai is right here, you can actually access every computer in your car, read codes, delete codes and see live data. And that Hyundai here, it has 17 computers. Okay, it's not too complicated, but still it's a complicated vehicle guys. Newer ones have even more. For instance, some newer BMWs, I've seen up to 70 computers guys, 70, that's right. Now, with that being said guys, okay, if it's not the throttle pedal, what do you need to check? This is your throttle body. You need to check the wiring harness that comes to the throttle body. Disconnected, broken wiring harness can cause that as well. Now, you start wondering guys, okay, what can cause that? Sometimes you're super close to the radiator fan. If the wire comes in the fan can rub on it and break it. Now, every time you disconnect electronics, you're working close to the radiator fan, disconnect the car battery on your Hyundai. One thing about that, let me give you one advice guys, on these modern vehicles it matters which battery terminal you disconnect first and which one you reconnect first. If you do it wrong, you can cause damage to the engine computer, modules, electronics, that could be worth thousands of dollars guys. So if you don't know how to do that, we have a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect, and the link will be shared in the description of the video below. Now, if it's not the wiring harness, what else it could be? Dirty throttle body. Pretty simple guys. That has only 80,000 miles. Check it out how bad it is. Okay, now if you look at it guys, okay, my light turned off but you can still see. Okay, right here we clean that part, so you can see how guys clean it is. This is the dirty part. It's terrible guys at 80,000 miles. That, when it's dirty, it can be sticking, not working correctly, that can give you a coat. We have a special video that explains how to clean throttle body on Hyundai. Check it out, it will be on our channel. Now, another thing, it could be a bad throttle body and you have to test yours, find out if it's good or bad. So, hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.